What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Polygon and its recent price action, and make sure to watch till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, we've got this amazing bounce back for Polygon here. Everything looking very bullish. As we can see, we've got the flip of the EMAs here with the 20 flipping the 50. We also broke out of this descending channel in the past few days, which we outlined in our previous video. We've basically been going up massively. We're currently experiencing a correction in the wider market. We saw Bitcoin get rejected again at 40k, which has led the market down for pretty much every single crypto. As you can see, everything was going very, very well for Polygon, but it is experiencing some very, very strong downwards momentum currently. Most likely just because of Bitcoin essentially doing some parabolic downwards price movement yet again, which does seem to be the basically the root of it seems to be manipulation again in the market. Whales are selling massive amounts of Bitcoin at 40k to try and keep the price down, and it seems to be working currently. And with such extreme fear in the market still, we can't seem to push past that 40k resistance for Bitcoin. And that's essentially saw Bitcoin correcting and it dragging the wider market down with it. So that's basically all that's happening with Polygon today. Everyone might be getting concerned that, oh, the momentum's disappearing for Polygon, it's going to go back down to 75 cents, but it doesn't seem likely to us that this is going to happen. We don't think Bitcoin's going to make lower lows, and provided that it doesn't, we probably think that Polygon is going to bounce if Bitcoin continues downwards as it is. I think it's at 36k at the time recording this video. If Bitcoin continues down to 35, 34k potentially, we'll probably see Polygon coming down, maybe bouncing off of this macro trend line at around 130, or it may even bounce at this 150 again. It currently seems to be bouncing somewhat at this swing high at around 185, as we can see here, but it probably will continue to go lower in the short term if Bitcoin continues to lead the market downwards. Obviously in the long term, we're still super bullish on Polygon, but obviously it's very, very difficult to predict what's going to happen in the short term because the market is so predominantly led by Bitcoin. We had lots of people in our videos yesterday commenting saying, oh, the price action's not what you said, the price action's going down again, you've basically got everything wrong. And we understand that it's frustrating when you can see, you know, you watch a video and then 5 minutes later the price action's doing the opposite of what it says, but it's obviously very difficult to know what's going to happen in the short term just because of how many different events can happen in the market to push the price up or down. There could be a piece of breaking news like a Bitcoin ETF or something like this that could push the price up massively, which would lead to a huge spike. And Bitcoin could just as easily just have a flash crash and bring the whole market down with it. So obviously the short term, much harder to predict than the long term. But obviously we try and stick more to the long term predictions on this channel because they are much more easy to calculate and verify, because they're much more based on fundamentals and not just random swings in the market. Obviously, cryptocurrency is very volatile, and if you can't accept that videos on our channel may be potentially out of date by the time that we post them the same day, because crypto does move very fast, then maybe you should stop watching the videos because quite honestly, it's very, very difficult to predict what's going to happen in the short term. As we said, things can change in a heartbeat in cryptocurrency, so very difficult to know. Try and keep long-term predictions in your mind more than the short term. The day-to-day in cryptocurrency doesn't really matter. Try not to get caught up in the minutiae of, oh, it's going down today or it's going up today, because in the end, all that matters is where it's going to be a year from now if you're still holding it, and basically the gains that you'll probably make from that, considering we're still in a bull market. So nothing to be concerned about with Polygon here. As we can see, we did get this bearish flip of the EMAs here, but we do think this is just because Bitcoin's leading the market down, and it's nothing to be too concerned about in our opinion. Like we said, we'll most likely bounce for Polygon off of this 150 or 130 level, and if worse comes to worst and Bitcoin does retest its lows, we do think that this $1 level will be very, very strong support for Polygon. As you can see, there's a lot of swing high and swing low previous structure action in this level, We do think there's a massive amount of demand for Polygon below $1. So very, very easy for us to predict that it's most likely not going to go down below these levels. Obviously, like we said, impossible to predict what's going to happen. Obviously, anything can happen within reason in cryptocurrency, but it does seem likely to us that we're probably going to be bouncing off some of these structural levels if Bitcoin continues to lead the market down. But as we said, provided that we make higher lows somewhere around here, or even here, or maybe this is the end of it now, then we probably will be seeing more upwards price action for Polygon. So our short-term price prediction, very difficult to know, as we've said. Obviously, we could easily come back down to this 130 or even $1, depending on what Bitcoin does. But if Bitcoin does recover and does break through 40K, we do think that Polygon probably will be heading to all-time highs by next month, as we said in our previous video. So long-term price prediction, we do think Polygon $15 to $20 now by the end of the run. We don't think the bull market's over by any stretch of the imagination, and we're just having a cooling off and sideways period of price action. But we do think that Polygon is a huge project. It's obviously got a massive amount of demand for it, and it seems likely to us it's going to continue to do well. So that's our update for Polygon today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button, as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Currently, only 20% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button as well. Like, comment, and subscribe to be in with the chance of winning a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.